Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious and yummy sweet potato porridge. You are going to love this one. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to leave your comments for me, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. And here are my ingredients for this sweet potato. So guys, here is all I'll be using to prepare this potato porridge. Here I have my smoked mackerel fish. I always smoke my fish myself, and this is my chopped onions. Here is pepper, ginger and garlic with small onions, added onions too. So here I have two vegetables here. I have scent leaf and pumpkin leaf. So this is pumpkin leaf and that's scent leaf. I have my grated crayfish, and also I have here my chopped sweet potatoes. I've already washed this and chopped them into the size that I want, okay? So feel free to cut your own into any size that you prefer. So now we are going to start cooking our porridge, and to that I'm going to be heating up my pot with palm oil, okay? I'm using palm oil for this porridge, but you can use vegetable oil, okay? So I'm just going to allow this palm oil to heat up, and once the oil is hot enough, I will add in my onions. I'm going to be frying these onions for just 2 minutes, okay? Two minutes later, I will add in my pepper mixture. And then I'm going to stir this, cover the pot and allow this to fry for some minutes. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please help me to share the video if you have not shared, okay? So now that our pepper mixture is fried, I'll be adding in my seasonings. I'll be going in now with my seasonings. I just added in my all-purpose seasoning. And then I will add in my crayfish. I'm going to mix all of this together to combine. So guys, I tested for salt and I needed to adjust it, okay? So I'll be adding just a little salt to this now, and then I'm going to mix it again. I will go in now with my water. and then I will add in my potato. So this is sweet potato. I'll add in my sweet potato now. So I'm just going to mix all of this together, okay, to combine everything together so that the potato can marry with the sauce, okay. I will add in more water, just a little water, because the water I added is not enough. I'm just going to add just a little water just to cover it a bit. And now I'll be adding in my smoked fish. So if you have any other protein that you want to use, you add it now, okay. So I'm using only just this mackerel fish. That's the only protein I'm using for this recipe. So I'm going to add it now, and then I'm going to cover this pot and allow this to cook until the porridge, until the potato is soft, okay. And once the potato is cooked, okay, you're going to check it with your knife. If your knife can penetrate through it, okay, without it being hard, you know that your potato is already cooked. So I'm just going to mash this now because I want a lot of porridge in this sweet potato porridge. So I'm going to mash it. So you're going to mash it until it reaches the consistency that you want, like the porridge that you want, okay. So I'm just being careful so that I don't pieces the fish. Now that I'm done mashing the potato, I'll be adding in my vegetable now. So guys, like I said in the beginning, I'm using pumpkin leaf and scent leaf, okay. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, why now? Please subscribe to the channel and help me to give this video a thumbs up, okay. If you have watched up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like the video, okay. Click on the hand that the thumbs is up, okay, and you have liked the video. To like the video is free, and also help me to share this video. Please share this video, okay. So I'm just going to cover and allow this to cook for just a minute, okay, just a minute, because I don't want to overcook the vegetable. And a minute later, I'm going to just stir this, okay, to combine everything together. And guys, here is what we have. Our sweet potato porridge is ready. Guys, look how yummy this food is looking like. This is so delicious, so yummy. You're going to enjoy this, I bet you. Please don't forget to do all that good stuff, okay. Like this video, subscribe, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.